Hey guys, it's me Smoon, and today I have a haul. This is all from Tonic, so let's get started. So I placed a Tonic haul. Can't hear me. Sorry. I placed a Tonic haul like a week or so ago to get some goodies. Something came back in stock that I really wanted to get, and since I'm going on that no spend with the cats wants versus need no spend challenge, I ran and picked these things up before, I had to wait almost 2 months to get it. So let me show you everything I got. So I just opened this box already off camera, like shortly before I went to work. I opened it to see. So it came with this little, what do you call this, advertisement for their kit. I always was curious about it and kind of want to get it, but I just haven't seen enough things inside of it that I really want to get. So I was alerted that they were having a sale, so a lot of their stuff was like 60% off. Some of their items in the clearance section were 60% off, so I jumped in and see what I wanted. So I got these stamps. I've been eyeing these stamps for a while. And this is the Aurora stamp. It's a little red rubber girl, and she's holding flowers. So that's what it looks like. Snap. And this one I got, which is Ocean, and it's like a fairy running. I thought it was really pretty. Love these on projects. I got some scissors because I was curious. I love getting scissors, even though I don't need any more scissors. I like getting scissors just to see the quality difference. Most of my scissors are from like Dollar Tree. Yeah, that's about it. So I like getting new scissors, and this one's a left-handed and a right-handed scissor, and it's 8 inches stainless steel blade, great for cutting fabric, paper, and other materials. Comfort molded handle for left and right-handed people. So it says Eclipse range. So I should have got 2 of them because this was like only $1 and some change on sale. So I should have got 2 of them, but at the time, and I can't go get another one because I'm not paying shipping and handling for this. So that's be interesting to see how that works. Like literally, let me show you this. Look how many scissors I have. Now this is actually not all my scissors. This is a good chunk of them. I'm missing a few in here. And some of these are specialty scissors. Some of these are just for fabric, and some are for hair, where I'm making like dolls and stuff. And then I have some specialty scissors and wire cutters in there. But yeah, I need more scissors. I really do. Then I bought some dies. I bought this one. I should have read the measurements because it is tiny. This thing is where's my good ruler? So that's right? No, because it's a little bigger than that. Right. So it says it's 1.5 by 3.6 inches, roughly. So it cuts this design out. You can see that? And it's called Elegant Stripe Invite Insert Set. That's a mouthful. And it's really tiny. And so it's 2 dies. You have the outline, which is kind of like what's it called? Also like a torn edge. It kind of reminds me of. And then the inside stripes. So I think these embossed a little bit too. Okay, next I got were these. I got this one, which is Diamond Swing, and it's beautiful. It cuts out. They can give you an example in the back. Ah, that's beautiful. And this was not a bad price either. So you get how many dice is that? Does it tell you on here? Nope. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies. So you get the outline to all these little images. And then you get the inside piece that cuts out this intricate design. Look how intricate that design is. It is so pretty. And so they show you in the background kind of what you can do with it. And then this one is called the Love Arch Square. And this has, is that a die too? Because it reminds me of one. I think it is, because it looks like it has a cutting edge. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies. Technically. So you see it better. I don't know, because it has a cutting edge. Like this has a cutting edge to it. And this does too. So I'm pretty sure those are dies too. I don't know. I gotta cut this out to see how it looks. So I got that. And did they tell me pricing? Yeah. So those stamps were $1.99 and the dies were $3.99. Which I didn't think is a bad price. It's like close to the price I pay sometimes for more intricate dies off of AliExpress. Okay, and those scissors were $1.99. So they're $2. But one of the things I've been wanting since it came out in the release, what was it? The Woodland Creature release they had at Tonic. And I've been wanting this paper, so let me open it. I've actually already opened it and like felt the paper and I was all like just holding it. But it is a wood grain. Oh, it smells interesting. Okay, not my favorite. But it has a like shimmer to it. Like it's embossed and colored. On the back it's black. But it has a nice little like shine to it. Like they use like some shimmer inks or whatever on here when they made it. So you can kind of see the shine. But it's super pretty. And of course, I was watching Hedgehog Hollow, and of course she said you can use the back. And if you don't want the color, like the brown color, you can paint the black, use like some gesso, white gesso, and color it any color you want it to be. And this is 150 GSMs. And it's cotton paper. So I've been wanting this. It was sold out when I first looked at it, and it came back in stock, so I wanted to grab it real quick. And of course I need to add more things to my cart to justify shipping and handling. I was gonna get it earlier, but the shipping and handling was kind of expensive, and it's gotten cheaper now. And that was, I think this was the most expensive thing I got, because I got it for full retail value price, and it was $4.99. And this is A5 size. Yeah, that's A5. And then this is 5.5 by 5.5 by 11. And so I bought some satin paper. I think you can see it. So going back to Hedgehog Hollow, a lot of times she talks about the satin paper is one of her favorite papers, and so I wanted to try it. I've never seen people release satin papers, always shiny or glossy or matte. So I thought it was interesting to try satin. So I got a silver, a gold, and a rose gold. It's a little harder for me to see. There you go. You can kind of see it. Difference now. So I want to try these out. It's really pretty. I think the only thing though, crazy enough to say it, and I'll leave the links below if you're interested in this. Sorry about packaging noise, but the paper is really thick. So that's the paper. It's really hard for you to see. You're not seeing the true color. You're seeing a washed down color. Like there you go. Like that's more true to the color that it is. Like that light right there. It looks more copper, but it's actually not. But it is very thick. Like this is really thick paper. It reminds me a lot of poster board. That's how it feels in the back. It feels like poster board. So I don't know. It's really thick. It's really pretty, but it's very thick. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's a little too much for me. I don't know. Like that's somebody really complaining about super thick paper. I don't know. It says it's 92 pounds. But don't feel like 92 pounds to me. That feels like poster board. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I can't say. I just keep saying I don't know, because it's my favorite paper to use, which is this one. Like going on a tangent. This is the Tim Holtz paper, and this is rose gold in here. And are you seeing that? Yeah, that camera is really washing this color out. Move my light a little bit. well, it's more peachy. It's more of a pink color. You're not seeing it. But this paper is pretty thick too because it's on craft paper. But it's a nice thickness. This just feels like too much to me. Like, you can't fold this. You really have to cut this out. It has to be a layering piece. But it's still pretty. It's 5 sheets, and this was $2.99. I kind of wish I got it during the paper sale they had a while ago. So the colors I have are honey gold, burnished rose, and frosted silver. And it's 8.5 by 11, and you get 5 pieces. I just found out though that KS Craft does sell a satin finish foil paper, on metallic paper. So I want to try that out. I can't try it out now, but I do want to try that out later on. So that's it. That's my haul. I was really excited to try these things, and now I'm very excited to cut them out and play with them. And of course I have to inventory these too, some of these items. Well, almost all these items, some of paper. Yeah, that's it. Much love, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.